Oh, right. I don't know about you guys, but if you have a girl and she loves that you love your hobby, she'll probably want you to eventually make one for her. And this is where I'm at today with the Beargguy. I'm not sure if I said it right, but it's some HG Build Fighters one. It's not the mainstay cannon, but it's the fun cannon, I guess, where you get a little extra from the original model kits. It comes with the main bear and little bear, or Beargguy and little Guy. It is a pretty fancy kit. I gotta do this one-handed because I am doing it that way. But it's got a lot of pieces to it. Not as much as I thought it would, but it is rather simple. Just that some articulation is doesn't hold up this arm too well unless you really make it work. But I'm gonna show you some cool stuff. So there's a couple ways you can do it. I'm gonna show you personally, but basically you got this guy, the OG, that's what it turns into. You got the backpack, you can make the backpack. We're doing this right now, thanks to the red circle. You can be super creative, right? And then you can do the extendo arms, which is on another Xeon mobile suit. I forgot which one it was, but one of those like C version ones from the 1 year war. Like a Z-Gok or a Gok, something like that. Yeah, I'm sure Shar had one of those at Jaburo. There's only a couple weird things. Like it says blue on the ribbon. It comes white or like a really matte sky blue, which is still fine. You can change it all you want. And I'm gonna show you little accessories here in a minute. So as you can see here, the little arm here on the white one, the big one, you can switch out the piece, the little blue piece right there, put the regular arm there. But like a regular child, the head is kind of oversized and the body hasn't grown into its usual. So alone, it's very top heavy, like a baby, so beware. Ain't gonna sit right unless you really, customize it. This is not customized yet. It has some customizable options. As you can see, you can kind of choose. I'm gonna add a little heart for her because this is my girl's. I bought this for my girl basically. Trying to figure out how I want to position this and put it in the house somewhere where she can see it all the time and enjoy it. But yeah, I got this for my girl. I got another one in the mail coming from JMS. I think it's called. It's a little AliExpress one. But it's that's gonna go with it. I think it's a yellow. But I saw this at the Hobby Town, and she was like, "We can stop there if you want." And I was like, "All right, cool." And I didn't really know this was a thing. I'm kind of new to gunpla. I was mostly into like the figures for a little while, and I bought them for my friends and kind of like put them in a box and had other things to do with my life, customize, GI Joes and stuff. But I didn't really do much gunpla until I started watching the show again, like 8th MS Team, which is my gateway drug into the rest of the lore. And man, I am back into it. And I had to stop by today at Hobby, another place, and my girl was like, "Is that the same thing you're getting for me later?" And I was like, "Yeah, this is the other one, I guess." I just kind of convinced her, like, I'm just going to buy this real quick. She's like, "That's fucking awesome." And so, yeah, that's happening. I'm going to customize this a little bit. See what I can do for you guys. Hold on a second. Now, I might have to glue some stuff so it stays because I'm not going to touch it. These connect pretty easy. Blue to chair to the back, and you get angry mom or dad. I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. I guess depends on what stickers you use, right? But yeah, kind of flimsy on the legs, but it is HG scale. You get what you get, but it is a lovely, figure. And this thing was only less than $35. I think it was like 30 something. A little bit of change. Worth it. The ears move. A small touch-ups, add a little pink or add a little panel lining. I think you can get a lot out of this, and for the price, it's really a good deal. Look at that thing. This picture's so cute. You can get the extender arms. All right, get that going. You can get extender arms and super mad. But I like this for the price. It's pretty cool. I think if you get it for your girl or something or your partner, I think they'll like it. Let me show you some more stuff they can do. You can get some pretty cool poses with this thing. It comes with a few extra pieces here. Some of these I already told you about. I'm not sure where these go yet. I haven't really found a place where they go. It comes with about 8 to 10 sprues, including the small ones, but there's a few. You can even make, let me pull these out. This one sprue you got these. So that's pretty cool. Obviously you can make the original, this guy without the claws, but you can still do the head. So that's pretty cool. Got some cool poses, even though its articulation is not the best. You can kind of weasel it. Yeah, this is probably my first video doing gunpla on here. Just want to say hello and see if you guys like it. Do you guys buy, gunpla for your girl or your partner? And if so, what do y'all usually get? Or are y'all into it together? Do y'all paint? Does your partner let you paint? It's huge. And she allows me to paint, so it goes a long way here. And I'm obviously not doing this professionally. I mean, I'm on a table, got a little mat. I got other customizable stuff that's not out right now. It's just we're trying to show off this. I am very happy with this kit. It's very simple, effective, and see you guys next time. Y'all have a good night.